Have you ever thought about starting a YouTube channel but don't know where to begin? Well, in this video, I'm going to give you all the tips and tricks you need to start your own YouTube channel and grow your audience. Hey there, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you everything you need to know to start your own YouTube channel and grow your audience. The first step in starting a successful YouTube channel is finding your niche. Your niche is the topic or theme of your channel. It's important to choose a niche that you're passionate about and that you have expertise in. This will make creating content much easier and enjoyable for you. Once you have your niche, it's time to plan your content. You should aim to create content that is valuable, informative, and entertaining for your audience. It's important to have a consistent upload schedule so that your viewers know when to expect new content from you. Now that you have your content planned out, it's time to start filming and editing. You don't need expensive equipment to start, just a good quality camera and basic editing software. It's important to create high-quality content that is visually appealing to your viewers. Promoting your channel is an essential part of growing your audience. Share your videos on social media, engage with your viewers in the comments, and collaborate with other YouTubers in your niche. It's important to consistently promote your channel to attract new viewers. Finally, once you've grown your audience, you can start monetizing your channel. You can make money through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, and ad revenue. It's important to always disclose sponsored content and provide value to your viewers. Starting a YouTube channel may seem overwhelming, but with the right strategies, it can be a fun and rewarding experience. Remember to find your niche, plan your content, create high-quality videos, promote your channel, and monetize your content. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this one.